Hi again, and welcome to video number 3 in our KipwareXC series. In this video we will illustrate the powerful KipwareXC macro language, and show a few things you can accomplish with this powerful customization tool. Let me first point out that all settings in a profile all get executed at the time of the conversion. Whether the setting is a predefined option as described in detail in video number 2, or a macro statement as outlined here, everything gets executed during a conversion. The user has the option to describe an unlimited number of macro statements, and again, they all get executed during a conversion. Let's start with the simple. Let's say you want to convert something like an M03 to an M13. Easy to do and can be accomplished easily in a macro statement. Or something more complicated, you want to search for all G02 lines and convert the G02 to G22 and the accompanying R value to an L value. Again, easy to configure in KipwareXC. Using predefined characters, extensive search and replace isn't the only conversion that can be accomplished. Lines can be broken up at user-defined addresses. We have outlined some fairly simple conversions, just a sampling of the power of the KipwareXC profile. But let's take a look at how all this would work. We created a profile that contains all the conversion options we just outlined. We also created a small sample G-code program to be converted. We'll keep it simple for explanation's sake. Now let's watch a quick video of the conversion process. With the desired profile loaded, we can browse for the G-code file to convert, then simply press the appropriate convert button. The conversion all happens completely in seconds, and the user is shown the original file and converted file contents in the full KipwareXC editor. A closer look shows that all the conversions we previously discussed were all completed in one conversion. As mentioned previously, the user can have an unlimited number of conversion options in the profile. They all get executed during the single conversion. We outlined just a small sampling of the power of KipwareXC in this short video. The innovative and pioneering KipwareXC gives shops with multiple CNC machines and controls the power to quickly, easily and automatically move G-code between machines with ease, eliminating the need for reprogramming or reposting G-code. Automating your G-code editing with KipwareXC can reduce machine downtime, giving you more chip-making time that will help grow your shop through faster turnaround and increased output. We'll be adding more videos outlining the power and features of KipwareXC. I hope to see you there. Until then, bye for now.